Good morning. This is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess. I wanted to do a quick video on symmetry, which are symmetrical projections. Those are the red 100% lines. Those are the previous swings in the market. When I am talking about previous swings in the market, let me show you what I mean. I'm talking about this is a swing. We are currently forming a swing right here. This is a swing. This is a swing. This is a swing inside a swing. Okay, so there can be swings inside a swing. Here's a swing. Here's a swing. So it's a high to a low. Right now, that's what I'm talking about, because I'm talking about looking for bullish, symmetrical support. Okay, that is what I'm talking about right now, because this chart is bullish. How do you know that it's bullish? The blue 8 is above the red 34. For intraday charts, we use 8 and 34 EMAs, exponential moving averages, on our, so intraday, when I'm talking about intraday, I mean a 5-minute chart, a 10-minute chart, a 30-minute chart, a 120-minute chart. For our daily charts, okay, let's see, what do I have a daily chart of here? I have a Roku daily chart. We use different moving averages. We use the blue 5 and the red 13 EMAs, and then we use the 50 simple, which is that green line, and the 200 simple moving averages. But for the sake of this video, what I am talking about is symmetrical support. I had a client ask me how we are running the symmetrical support. Okay, we use a line chart. We don't use candles. It's just easier for us to kind of visually see. So what I'm going to do now, okay, so now that I've explained to you about these swings, is I'm going to show you how I get the red symmetrical support. I use a 3-pointed tool. Okay, for support, I'm using this red 3-pointed tool up here. Okay, I'm going to always come back to the more recent high that happened on Friday. See, 11th July. Okay, what I'm reading right now is right here. It's in this, it's a little bit higher there, but you can see it right here, 11th July, and these are always in Eastern time zone and military time. Okay, so 11 July, 2:30, 14:30 is 2:30. All right, so what I'm going to always come back to that high. I'm going to come to my 3-pointed tool here, and I'm going to go high, low, high. These are the swings inside the swings. I'm going to use those also. High, low, high, high, low, high. All of these are swings inside the swings, and then this entire swing I will also be using. I can't remember if I've done that one. Yep, I did. Okay, so this is a whole big swing here. High, low, high, high, low, high. Very close to that one. High, low, high. And if I have something in the general area already, I'm not going to put another line unless I want to do clusters. And for the sake of this being a 30-minute chart, and this is something I show live in the room, I want to keep it kind of clean. So high, low, high, high, low, high. I mean, we're going to have a lot of support on Amazon, right? High, low, high, because we've been going straight up for a while. Okay. Now, I will also say that Amazon is very extended right now, but we are coming into earnings season. I need to check and see when Amazon has earnings. I always use Earnings Whisper for that. And if you do decide to do Earnings Whisper, make sure you accept their cookies on the initial page, or it won't let you look up the ticker. But I don't pay for it. I use the free version. So their earnings are Wednesday, July 30th on Amazon. So it's always good to know that too when you're trading. Now I'm going to do the overlying retracements. So I'm going to go from a low to the high, from the low to the high, from the low to the high, from the low to the high. And I'm just going to clean it up, okay? I don't need all of this, all these 382s and 236s. I just like a nice, clean looking chart. And there, like I said earlier, if I've already got something in the general vicinity, okay, which I mean like 220, 221, 222, 223, 224, that's enough support, right? I don't need to clutter up the chart. So this is what the Amazon 30-minute chart will look like in the room. So just be aware of that. I also will make sure that previous target extensions are still being represented up above here, because there are some of them we have not quite met yet, and I want to make sure those are on the chart. Okay. I hope that this video has helped. Let me know if you have any more questions, and I'll talk to all of you soon. Thank you so much.